Welcome back to the MagicJS tutorial. Today we are going to implement real-time capabilities using Socket. First, let's create a new UI file inside the blank feature. We will name it RT message and just give the path as /. Now let's add three buttons here. A button to send message, a button to leave the room, and a button to join room. Let's use space and input as well, so import them here and wrap these three buttons inside space and add an input inside as well. Let's go with the width 300 for the input. Save it and let's check whatever we have done so far. Let me open the output in a new tab. Okay, I will close this one here. Okay, now add a div here. Set the height as 100 and inside a p tag say last message. Save it. Now, since we are working on real-time feature, we need to see two browsers simultaneously. So let me arrange it like that. Now we have two browsers with the same page. Here, what we are going to do is, when we send a message here, it should appear here. Also, the message should be displayed only if the page is a member of the room. So for that, let's start two states here, to set the message and to set the input. Add the message here inside the h1 tags. Now map the input here using value prop, value input, onChange equals and set input e.target.value. Hit save. Next, create a backend function to send a message. Let's name it send message. Inside of it, let's import IO here and add message equals string to get it from the front end. Now in here we can add io.emit new message, comma the message from the input which is msg. Yes, now in the front end we will call this function on the onClick prop of the send message button. For that, type onClick send message server and pass the input here and set message, pass input here as well. Not just that, the input should be cleared after each message as well. So here set input should be empty. Hit save. The next step is to add the real time. We have already configured the backend file to emit. Now import use socket from MagicJS frontend and add a constant socket equals use socket. Here we will add react.useEffect and inside of it we will call socket.subscribe. Give the new message inside it and pass msg here and set message to msg. So each time the function is called, we will get the message. Also, each time it should unsubscribe as well. So make this as a constant unsub and return unsub here. Hit save and it's time to test it. Refresh both the browsers. We will send hi here and yes, we got it over there. But everyone on this page can view this message, right? So let's restrict that by adding a room. Now to set a room, open sendMessage.server.tsx and here let's add to secret room. Secret room is the name of the room. So only the members of this room will get the message. Hit save and let's try sending a message again. Hello, sent. Now anyone can send, but we didn't get the message here since we didn't join a room. So let's see how to join a room. Simply inside the onClick prop here, socket.join room. secret room. Similarly, we can leave the room as well. For that, on click socket.leave room secret room. Refresh the page. Now click join room here and send a message, hello. Now we got the message here, but if we send a message here, we won't get it since we didn't join the room with this browser. So join here as well, and let's try sending again. And yes, we got it here. Done. That's it. That's how easy and simple it is to implement real-time capabilities using MagicJS with MERN.AI. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.